Let me ask you just one final question, Dr. Hansell. Do you believe that fluid is a drug?
Well, I think, yes, I do. I think the issue with fluid is we tend to discount it, and it's running all the time in the background. It's something we've gotten used to. But certainly what we see is that I don't think it's that different than giving morphine or giving Levophed, quite frankly. We know if you need those drugs and you don't give enough, you don't have the impact. Underperfusion is a problem. If you don't give enough fluid, patients remain underperfused and they get into real problems with that, significant complications. Likewise, if we give too much of a drug, we get into side effects and with volume overload. So getting fluid right, I think, is actually really critical, and what we're learning is getting it right is actually a narrower therapeutic window than we've appreciated in the past, because part of the problem is the complications on the volume overload side we don't see for 48 or 72 hours.
Sure.
And we tend not to, I think we tend to discount those a little bit. So this value of getting it right is absolutely critically important. We do that with all of our other drugs, our antibiotics,
Absolutely.
our vasopressors, pain medicines, all these things we titrate very carefully. I think we'll do better by titrating fluid more tightly for patients and better for patients. Certainly the outcome data in the surgical literature and the ICU are demonstrating that.
It sounds like what I hear you saying is that you really can't afford not to check.
I think that's absolutely spot on. We don't, any other drug that we give, we always check the effectiveness of that drug. Think about that. We should be doing the same for fluid. And we have the tools to do that today.
I agree with you. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you. It's been a lot of fun.